There is no more tomorrow para sa San Miguel. Shell has the twice to beat privilege dito sa quarterfinal round. Libre si Noy Castillo for the lead! At abante na ang Formula Shell ng isa, 60-59.
Titira na to.
Danny Siegel going
That's
up.
a bailout shot. Bailout shot.
Benji Paras gives it to Noy Castillo. He has quarterman sa Shell.
Oh,
Victor
yes.
Pablo, siya naman.
Again, it's the corner shot, partner.
Palitan ng putok sa fourth quarter and San Miguel is still on top by 1. 7 minutes remaining. Asay Tono again forcing that one. Noy Castillo,
Nandun na siya.
wala pa rin. Victor Pablo, wala pa rin. Tapik, napunta kay Olsen Rosella. It's a foot race. Ang Rosella binigay pa kay Nelson. Ikaw na ang gumawa.
Oh, partner, under time pressure ni San Miguel in that situation. Yan naman ang sinasabi natin sa execution. No? Itong Formula Shell, you see that execution of Benji Paras, baseline drive.
Pass picked up by Benji Paras. Paras pa rin. Tuloy-tuloy.
Yes, Benji Paras!
And he is playing the game of his life. Benji Paras, 73-70, a 3-point lead. But this is not yet over, Kinito.
All they need is another big defensive stop at tapos na itong laro.
3 seconds to shoot. Nako, isa na lamang naubusan ng oras ang San
And
Miguel.
that's it. That's the defensive stop, partner. O partner, nasa penalty na ang San Miguel Pier. And looks like they're gonna press. No, they give up the foul.
Yes.
Medyo premature yata yung pagkabigay ng foul. Because it looks like Esplana is poised to put this lead up to 5.
And if he does, a lot of strategies now working yung mind game. But Jerry Esplana is not going to be pressured by that.
And to see
Rosella,
Olsen Rosella.
yan na naman. That'll do it.
And air ball, and San Miguel Beer is goodbye. At pumasok sa semifinals of Formula Shell.
Oh, kita nyo na. Ang gandang game, di ba?
Well, Benj, ikaw pa nga yung best player ng game na yan. And I'm sure you still remember that game very clearly.
Oo, dahil ito yung time na nakapasok kami. All Filipino kami.
At nag-champion pa sila noon, Pao. And of course now, Benji, I'm sure you're very inspired to play against San Miguel.
Excited sana, kaso lang ang problema, hindi ako makakalaro dahil na-sprain ako nung nakarang game. So, pero kaya naman ng team namin to na maglaro na maganda.
Sige.
Ano ba nangyari sa paa mo?
Na-sprain doon sa may toes, kaya medyo matagal yung recovery. So, ayun, medyo pahinga ulit konti.
Naku, dapat
Okay.
magpagaling ka na
Tama.
soon dahil hinihintay ka na ng mga fans mo.
Okay, kaya magala, konti na lang, laro na tayo.
Okay, get well soon. Tower of Power, Benj
Thank
Paras.
you, Benji. I'm sure yung saging,
Oh,
yun yung
ano?
pampalakas ng
Yan ang
Shell.
pampalakas ni Benji.
Okay,
Okay.
so
It's time to go now. Move on to the ball game. Let's now turn over to the panel for more in-depth analysis about this coming game.
Noli Ayala with Andy Howe.